The first thing that every successful and profitable sales funnel needs is lead capture. The front door of your business should be collecting a name and email at minimum. If you don't, you're only giving yourself one shot at turning a stranger into a customer or a client. If you implement lead capture, if you have like the front door of your house, a way to come in and give you information on the way in, now we can follow up with those people and we've got a second, third, fourth, fifth chance at turning a stranger into a customer.
If you're researching ClickFunnels 2.0 and wondering if it's the right fit for you, you're in the right place. The sales funnel tool you choose can make or break your business. It affects how many sales you make, how easy it is to grow, and how well you turn leads into customers. Here's why I can say that. I've been using sales funnel tools for years. I've tried everything from free platforms to expensive ones. And let me tell you, picking the wrong one can cost you time, money, and a whole lot of frustration. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 key things you need to know before trying or buying ClickFunnels in 2025. By the end of this, you'll know if it's worth it for your business. Let's get into it.
The very first time I ever taught this concept called Hook Story Offer and how you can use it inside of your business to grow your funnels, to make more sales, to higher conversions, and be able to serve more people inside of your community.
Let's get to know the ClickFunnels platform a little better. 1. What is ClickFunnels 2.0? ClickFunnels 2.0 is the upgraded version of the original platform. It's not just a funnel builder anymore. It's a full business operating system. Think funnels, websites, email marketing, CRM, and even e-commerce, all in one place. ClickFunnels 2.0 is designed to help entrepreneurs, marketers, and business owners streamline their operations. Whether you're selling a product, service, or digital course, this platform aims to simplify the process of building, managing, and scaling your business. If you're an entrepreneur or marketer, this could be a game changer. Imagine having everything you need in one dashboard. No more juggling multiple tools or paying for separate subscriptions. So let's review the features of the ClickFunnels 2.0 suite.
We're 8 years into 1.0 and you're still fixing things and tweaking things and stuff. And so 2.0 is like this massive undertaking, which is, the software is 10x what ClickFunnels 1.0 is, right? Like in 2.0, it's like you scroll down, you find the funnels tab, and it's like, oh, here's funnels. And that's the one thing that it does, which is all of ClickFunnels 1.0. But 2.0 does everything else. It does websites and shopping carts and stores and blogs, and like it does all the different things, right?
Here's what's new and exciting in ClickFunnels 2.0. Universal elements. Save time by creating reusable sections like headers, footers, or call to action CTAs. Drag and drop them into any funnel or page. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're managing multiple funnels or websites. Funnel Hub, a central dashboard to manage all your funnels, products, and customer data. No more jumping between tools. Everything is organized in one place, making it easier to track your progress and optimize your campaigns. Website Builder. Now you can build full websites, not just funnels. It's super customizable with tons of templates. Whether you need a landing page, a blog, or a full e-commerce site, ClickFunnels 2.0 has you covered. E-commerce features. Sell physical products, digital downloads, or subscriptions. It even has inventory management and order tracking. This makes it a solid alternative to platforms like Shopify for small to medium-sized businesses. Email marketing. Send broadcasts, automations, and follow-ups directly from the platform. You can create email sequences, segment your audience, and track performance, all without needing a separate email tool. Customer Relationship Management, CRM. Track leads, manage customer interactions, and segment your audience for better targeting. While it's not as advanced as some standalone CRMs, it's a great addition for small businesses looking to streamline their operations. 3. Who is ClickFunnels 2.0 for? ClickFunnels 2.0 is perfect for entrepreneurs. If you're selling a product or service online, this is a must-have. It simplifies the process of creating sales funnels, managing leads, and closing deals. Coaches and consultants. Perfect for creating lead magnets, booking calls, and delivering courses. The platform's automation features make it easy to nurture your audience and convert them into paying clients. E-commerce sellers. The new e-commerce features make it a solid alternative to Shopify for small to medium-sized businesses. You can manage products, track orders, and even handle subscriptions, all in one place. Agency owners. Manage multiple clients' funnels and websites from one dashboard. The Funnel Hub makes it easy to switch between projects and keep everything organized. 4. Who is ClickFunnels 2.0 not for? While ClickFunnels 2.0 is a powerful tool, it's not for everyone. Here's who might want to think twice. Beginners on a tight budget. It's a premium tool, so it's not the cheapest option out there. If you're just starting out and don't have a lot to invest, you might want to explore more affordable alternatives. Large enterprises. If you need highly customizable solutions or enterprise-level integrations, this might not cut it. Larger businesses often require more advanced features and scalability than ClickFunnels 2.0 currently offers. Tech-savvy users who love control. If you enjoy coding or want full flexibility, alternative platforms might be a better fit. ClickFunnels 2.0 is designed for simplicity, which means it sacrifices some customization options. No review of an application suite like ClickFunnels 2.0 is complete without considering the pros and cons of the platform. 5. Pros and cons. Let's break it down. Pros. All in one platform. No need for multiple tools. Everything you need is in one place. Drag and drop editor. Super easy to use, even if you're not tech savvy. Great for scaling. Whether you're a solopreneur or running a small team, ClickFunnels 2.0 grows with you. Regular updates. The team behind ClickFunnels is constantly adding new features and improvements. Cons. Pricing. It's pricier than some competitors, which might be a barrier for beginners. Learning curve. While it's user-friendly, there's still a bit of a learning curve for new users. CRM limitations. Some features, like the CRM, are still catching up to standalone tools. So there you have it, the 5 key things you need to know about ClickFunnels 2.0. I hope this helps you decide if it's the right fit for your business. If you're curious and want to test it out yourself, use my special link to get 14 days of ClickFunnels 2.0 for free. You'll get full access to all the premium features so you can see if it works for you. Click the first link in the video description below to check it out. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, comment below with your thoughts or questions, subscribe for more honest reviews and tutorials. Turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.